be able to stand under it.
Well, you got a red one. That's gonna look nice. Look at that.
Think he drives a diesel?
It's gonna be.
Yeah.
One guy's gonna build it. Lit Mills lift.
again?
Probably. Yeah, it won't. It's an easy thing to do.
Uh-huh.
So, because I'm going to show you how to do that. Because every once in a while you're going to have to. Because usually what I do when I set them up is I line up that moving piece with the bottom of a notch
Mm-hmm.
or the top, whatever, because they're all the same.
Yeah, they're not the exact same height.
Those are all made the same, so
Yeah.
they're all exactly the same. So what I'll do is I'll line it up. Once I get it lined up, then I go off the sound, because the sound you can hear.
Yeah.
You can hear that end, you can hear this end. It's going to be off, I'm relatively sure.
Can we do that adjustment in there? Would that be?
Yeah, because we can, is it open in there?
Uh-huh.
I mean, we put the lift in?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it. I just show you so that down the road you know how to do it. So right now I'm pretty much one kaboom, which is what I like.
Yeah.
And it's usually best
Wow.
to do a car, put a car on and adjust it. Because so most of the time you're going to put a car on the same direction, engine to one end, and so that end typically I set a little bit high.
Mm-hmm.
So you get a boom boom, because that end will go off a little bit first, because your engine, everything will be on one end. You know, it depends. Little cars like this, it's going to take up a long time to stretch these cables. But so that's what I do. I run them up.
Why do you set it so the engine side's first? Because it's heavier?
Because it's heavy in.
And it'll end up stretching and then it'll be balanced?
Yeah, it'll give that end a little bit of stretch room.
Sure.
So I line that up and then see where the others are at. That one's perfect. This one's a little bit high. Oh yeah, I'll go a little below that. This one's a little bit low and that one's a little bit low. So what I'll do is let that end down, because I'm right at the top of the nuts here. That way you've got total adjustment down there.
Uh-huh. But we can do that in there, you think?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, there's no need to mess with it out here and then move it
Yeah.
and redoing it. It's gonna be.
When you said you had to bleed it?
I did. It's done.
Wow. I missed it.
Well, the air was in there.
I heard the gurgling and everything, but I wasn't
That was
sure.
bleeding the air out.
So, but I mean, did you have to, like, you know, on a brake, you loosen
No,
the...
it just comes into the tank.
Oh. So you don't really have to tighten and loosen any nuts or anything?
No, it just dumps it back into. This is all foamed up right now.
Yeah.
That air will come out of there over day. By this time tomorrow, it'll be oil.
So you have to hold that lever the whole time it goes down?
Well, to that bottom notch right there.
Till it's past the bottom notch?
Yeah. Once you get to that, because you turn loose either one, this is going to stop.
Uh-huh.
So when I hold this down, I can see the tip of that one back there.
Yes.
See right beside
Yeah.
the leg, so I know that corner's unlocking. The deal is that you can't, when you put a car on here, you can't see that other side
Right.
almost at all. You almost can't see that side either. So I'm watching